Hey everyone, Garmin has officially released the Enduro 3 GPS smartwatch, tailored specifically for endurance athletes. The latest addition to Garmin's lineup is built for the long haul, with cutting-edge solar charging technology that significantly extends battery life, making it an ideal companion for athletes pushing their limits in remote or challenging environments. Weighing in at just 63 grams, the Enduro 3 is not only lightweight, but also a powerhouse of endurance. The smartwatch can run in GPS mode for up to an impressive 320 hours, thanks to its advanced solar charging capabilities. This is a remarkable improvement, as the new solar battery in the Enduro 3 captures more than twice as much solar energy as its predecessor, allowing users to go longer between charges without compromising on performance. One of the standout features of the Enduro 3 is its SAT-IQ technology, which dynamically adjusts GPS modes to ensure accurate positioning while conserving battery life. This makes the watch reliable for ultra-distance events where battery conservation is as crucial as precision. The Enduro 3 is built to withstand tough conditions, featuring a sapphire lens, a durable nylon band, and a titanium bezel. Whether you're navigating through rugged trails or participating in nighttime activities, the watch is equipped with a red light, strobe mode for low light conditions, and an integrated LED flashlight with adjustable brightness settings. The Enduro 3 is packed with features specifically developed for trail runners and endurance athletes. It offers great adjusted pace, and VO2 max insights tailored to trail running. Athletes can also benefit from preloaded topo-active maps, ski area maps, golf courses, and dynamic round-trip routing, ensuring they are well prepared, no matter where their training or adventures take them. Garmin has also focused on strength training, offering 4 to 6 week regimens and routines, tailored to specific sports. The Enduro 3 monitors endurance and key performance indicators such as VO2 max, training load, and adaptation to altitude and heat, providing athletes with detailed insights into their progress. Beyond sports performance, the Enduro 3 doubles as a comprehensive health and fitness tracker. It includes an FDA-approved ECG app, HRV status, pulse ox for blood oxygen monitoring, and sleep tracking. For those who value staying connected, the smartwatch offers smart notifications, location and workout sharing through Garmin Share, and two-way text messaging via Garmin Messenger. Music lovers will appreciate the integration with Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music, while Garmin Pay adds the convenience of contactless payments. The Garmin Enduro 3 is available now, with a suggested retail price of $899. With its combination of durability, advanced features, and extended battery life, the Enduro 3 is poised to be a top choice for endurance athletes seeking a reliable and feature-rich smartwatch for their adventures. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, write a comment about what exactly. Have a nice day and God bless you.